He's shoveling driveway.
Slow down. Go on.
What's going on? You ain't tired yet. Where'd that dog go? Oh, back again. Are you tired? Are you ready to go in the house trio? Or you just want to go for a ride? Huh? No? What do you want to do?